On Your Own Practice, Constructing Polygons, Part 2, Lesson 3.11. Select the hexagon inscribed in a circle. So a hexagon has 6 sides. Here's our hexagon. Alright, we're going to construct a regular hexagon. So first we need a line and a point on that line. And then we're going to use a compass to construct a circle centered at the point on our line. Mark the 2 points of intersection. Now, without changing the compass, we're going to place the compass at one of the points of exercise to draw a second circle. And then same thing to draw our third circle. All right, hexagon, what is our next step? We're going to place and make a circle to the leftmost or rightmost point center of the circle so that the radius is the same as the radius of the first circle. That's what we want. All right, hexagon using the method that involves 3 circles. So the first step is to use a straight edge, draw a line, label a point on the line. All right, where are our points for our hexagon? Now we want to join those segments. There's our hexagon. The center of the circle is one of the vertexes. Is it? No. The hexagon will be inscribed in that circle. Yes. All right, constructing a regular hexagon using the method that involves drawing only one circle. She begins drawing her line with her straight edge, labels a point on that line. She then uses her compass to draw an arc on the line and labels this point of the intersection Q. She's going to draw an arc above or below the arm without changing her width. Remember, arcs are the same as circles. Alright, Dante partially finished constructing a regular hexagon using the method it involves in constructing only one circle. He now has a line, 2 points on the line, A and B, and a point above the line, point C, which he has created from drawing an arc from point A and B. So now he's going to draw his one circle centered at point C. And point A will be a vertex on the hexagon.